Hello? I'm sorry, I can't. Next week, I promise. Today? Well, that's impossible.
Open it!
I'm trying.
Open it, come on!
My name is Elias Ruile.
Really?
Elias is my name, and Ruile is my surname. Anyway, what's your name?
You are not English?
No, I'm from Australia, mate.
Wow, Australia.
It's,
Open it! Yes, come on!
He will! Stop! Shut up! Look into my eyes. Sit outside and take off your hat. Don't break, broken, but only had. Come, king, come. Don't go, get gone. Don't leave it, let me all alone.
Hey, you have a little rhythm inside.
Inside, Josep.
Hola, soc Josep Zapater, tinc 34 anys, soc actor, o no? Jo realment vaig estudiar música i cantava en una coral i tocava el piano, també toca la guitarra. Actualment, I'm unemployed.
Stupid dog!
But why English? I don't speak English and I don't like English!
Well, actually, you're speaking English very well with me right now.